outside, it appears discreet, composed, almost silent. But within, an atmosphere lingers. Details chosen not to impress, but to endure. A quiet reveal, a door concealed within symmetry. Inside, the language remains. Wood, brass, and silence. The same reverence, only closer. You return past the ladder that glides, the cabinetry that conceals as much as it reveals. A space measured in restraint, every detail intentional, every edge crafted. Then comes the shift, a deeper tone, a secluded sanctum where conversation softens and time, once again, disappears. Because here, presence is earned and silence is everything.